Well, thank you very much for that intro. He is right. I'm a good gift giver. I will take that. Um, Breakout rooms are awesome. I can't believe how many people from non-Edmonton and non-Vancouver. I actually met someone from New Zealand tonight. So welcome. Super cool to see you. I am going to share my screen and tell you guys about this freaking rocket ship that we are on right now of Vancouver real estate. Are you guys seeing the Metro Vancouver report? Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Metro Vancouver. So when I say Metro Vancouver, that's going to be a big area. What this doesn't include is the Fraser Valley, so getting out into Abbotsford, Mission, Chilliwack, but I can guarantee you the numbers are pretty similar out there. This is going to include Burnaby, Vancouver, the Tri-Cities, New Westminster, even going as far out as Sunshine Coast to Wasson and Bowen Island. So this is a pretty big area, but the numbers and the stats are pretty constant throughout the region. And it is absolutely bananas. So, I did this a couple months ago and we're talking about how, in the past couple of months, things had gone up. We were looking at multiple offers. There was a lot of competition and that has not changed. Now, what I find really interesting is, we look at this rocket ship that I'm talking about and, we're in March. And so, we're talking about these numbers going up considerably. And some of you are saying, well, last March was COVID. The market went down considerably. Well, it did go down considerably in volume, but the price didn't fluctuate that much. So, you're looking at 129% increase in sales over March of last year in detached, 128% up, 119% up. So that's your sales volume. The price though, 17.9% on average up over detached, whereas condos are only about 4 and about 10 on townhomes. So obviously detached is leading the market. But going month over month, we had 1.62 million was your average detached price in Metro Vancouver in February. We're up 80,000 just in 1 month on that number. Look at condos, from 700 to 715 and townhouses 840 to 872. So just in 1 month, everything has gone up considerably. And it's a lot of those multiple offers that are really driving the market. I sold a townhouse on Tuesday where the last 2 sales in a couple of weeks, like just in February and a couple of weeks before that, were 1.25. This one sold at 1.31. So we're looking at a $60,000 increase on a townhouse in just a few weeks. And what's driving this market is going to be those low interest rates. And a lot of people are really trying to take advantage of that and get in before that changes. Now, what is also really interesting is where the averages are taking us. So if we look at actually Burnaby, 12%, 13% up. We look at Vancouver, 10, 13% up. If you start getting out into the suburbs, 25% Maple Ridge. We're looking at Port Coquitlam, Pitt Meadows, Port Moody, over 20%, 27%. Look at some of the islands. Bowen Island, 36% up since last year. And Alexis, I know you're going there tomorrow. I'm sorry to tell you, 34% on Sunshine Coast over last year. So those outlying or suburban areas are really performing a lot better than the city at this point. So investors, if you are looking for an opportunity, the closer to the downtown core of Vancouver that you are, the better opportunity there will be. Condos, as you can see, have really not gone up in same relation as townhouses and detached. So I would say if you're looking for an investment and you're interested in condos, downtown Vancouver or close to downtown Vancouver is probably where we would point you. Otherwise, if you're looking for detached, you're going to be competing, you're going to be paying up, and there's a lot of competition out there. So that's my market update for Vancouver and the rocket ship that we're on. Great to be a seller, tough to be a buyer.